All right, on this XJ, the cruise control doesn't work, and I have a sneaking suspicion it's something to do with these controls. I mean, look at them. They're all jacked up. Looks like somebody's been in here before. So, these control switches. So what I decided to do is go to the old eBay and get a new set of, well, used switches, because can't find new ones of these anymore. And we're going to attempt to change them. So, first thing... And before you begin this project, remove your battery cable, disconnect your negative. You don't want the airbag going off. That would be a bad day. You see there is a little Torx nut right in there, or bolt. So we're going to take that out and see where it leads us. Alrighty, I have determined it is a T20 Torx. Oh, this is broken. Look, that's a little piece right there. Okay, I've got that screw out and it's hanging. Time for the other one. All right, in order to get a little bit more room, I'm going to take the airbag out. This right here, and it is by these little 8mm bolts. Okay, that's what the little bolts look like. And the airbag should come out. Be careful, I don't want this thing to go off in my face. Alright, don't worry about that. That's just the airbag connector that just pulls right out. And this is the wiring harness. So let me see if I can get to these. So here's the little tab that you don't want to break. It looks like these were broken off. Somebody tried to take these out before without removing those bolts. So, and my new eBay unit, as you see, has the little thing on there. The little... Looks like it's very simple to undo this. It's got a little clip that just holds on to right there. Looks like it's got a little clip down here. It pulls out. Okay, this is the old unit. That's the little Christmas tree thing that goes in here. So here's the new unit with the little tab attached. And what I don't see is how does that attach there? I don't see a little nut on the other side. These are the little Torx bolts that are coming through here, but I figured it out. So this adapter bracket little ear right there goes between these two. Yeah, so that ear goes between these two, and I've got this one installed. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes up in between there. That's what it should look like. This one seems to work good. Okay, don't tighten these very tight because it's just a little bitty plastic tab. Okay, both installed. Got all my connections except for the airbag connection. We need to push this back in. It goes right there. All right, I got my airbag connection and it should just slide right back in there. All right, it's all buttoned up. I'm going to put my bolts in and go test drive it. All right, cruise control working good. Cruise light is on. Buttons function perfectly. Well, that was all that was wrong with that XJ's cruise control, so I hope that helps somebody out. Y'all have a good weekend.